Here's the truth. Most people are living in some degree of fear, self-doubt, and confusion. Most people struggle with making decisions, especially the important ones. Why is that? Well, they don't love themselves enough. They don't know how to trust themselves. They're not 100% sure that they can trust their friends and families. And they don't have a proven system that guides their life. But that's not the end of the problem. It actually gets worse. Here's the real problem you're facing. You wish you could be more connected to your body, but you just don't know how to do it. Even if you already have faith in a higher power, you're just not clear how to make it stronger and more available, especially when you need it the most. And worst of all, as troubling events play out on the world stage, you just don't feel safe and confident in knowing which direction to move forward in that's going to be the best for yourself and for your family. But luckily for you, there's a new solution. I am super excited to announce the Bloom Your Intuition course. This simple 4-step process is for anyone who wants to stop living in fear, self-doubt, and confusion, and wants to live instead as if the universe is conspiring in their favor. In this course, you get videos that outline the process step by step in detail, specific tools to help you build and strengthen your intuition, access to ancient indigenous philosophies that help you not only heal interpersonal relationships, but teach you how to receive signals from the outside and natural world. This course will help you believe in your heart that you deserve the best and it's available to you anytime, anywhere. Imagine if there was a breadcrumb trail leading from where you are now to feeling empowered, confident, and trusting. The Bloom Your Intuition course is it. Hi, my name's Teresa Schley Valenzuela, and by now you're probably asking, who am I and how can I make these wild claims? Here's why I can make these promises to you. I've been studying personal growth and human potential for over 33 years. I'm a spiritual mentor, mom, lifelong psychic, and medium. I've worked with enough people, both as a spiritual mentor and as a facilitator at sacred shamanic plant medicine ceremonies, to know that the core reasons that people are troubled or not getting what they want from life is because they're living in self-doubt and they're not living in self-love. And therefore, they're not able to trust their intuition. With all my many years of experience, I've learned that building, strengthening, trusting, and living with your intuition is hands down the best way for you to achieve the life that you most want to live. But don't just take my word for it. Here's some proof. Let me tell you about my client, Irina. Irina came to me for some spiritual mentoring sessions. And while our time together was transformational, what really changed for her is when she made the commitment to use the exact tools I'm going to teach you in the Build Your Intuition course to strengthen her intuition. She was able to get out of a very destructive romantic relationship, heal some core wounds within her family, magnetize a new and really wonderful romantic relationship, and also start up the business of her dreams. These tools really can affect every area of your life. So here's what you get with the Bloom Your Intuition course. First, you get videos that outline every step of this process in detail so you know exactly how it works. How to know what intuition is and isn't so that you can make the best decisions. This is probably the main thing that people are confused about, and I clear it up very powerfully so that you will 100% get it. How to know when your racial and cultural biases are affecting your ability to use your intuition properly. This is a huge hotspot issue, especially in today's world, and I'll tell you exactly how to work through that. There's a whole lot more included with this course. If you want all of this, then grab the Bloom Your Intuition course before it's too late. When you act now, not only do you get Bloom Your Intuition, but you also get some really groovy bonuses. First, you get a specifically designed journal with prompts that helps you build and strengthen your intuition. This is hands down one of the most powerful tools that I use with my clients. a powerful and proven process to immediately get out of self-doubt and into self-love. This deceptively simple technique will get you amazing results every single time, and it works in any area of your life. Ancient techniques that help you tap into messages from the external world, including the natural world. Also, you can be comfortable knowing that I offer a money-back guarantee. You've got a full 30 days to put the Bloom Your Intuition process to the test. With all of that value for only $27, it's a win-win situation, so don't delay. Click the button below to place your order while this offer is still available. Remember, every minute you delay is another minute spent worrying and spinning in self-doubt, unsure if you'll ever really believe and trust that the universe truly is conspiring in your favor. Get your instant access today.